Hi, papunta ako ngayon sa Walmart and I will be doing my gig. Magsha-shopping ako and then I will deliver it to the customer. Ayan po yung Walmart. As you can see, ito yung labas. So, samahan niyo ko mag-shopping at mag-deliver. Welcome. Kuha muna tayo ng cart. Oh no, there's no cart available. There's no cart available. Since walang cart, we have to find the cart outside. Mahirap mo ano ngayon kasi marami nagsha-shopping. So dito tayo papasok sa kabila. Kuha lang tayo ng cart. Mayroon akong, as you can see, mayroon akong 7 items na i-pick upin. Yan, nakakuha na ako ng cart. This is it. Let's go and shop. Oop. This is an exit. My first item to be picked up is nasa ito B13 nasa groceries area. So nasa letter C, ang B is sa kabila.